Hello, hi brother, how are you?
Yeah, hi, good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And so it's a very essential. We are meeting very first times. So shall I introduce yourself? And after that, I would like to introduce myself. So please
Yeah,
proceed. Yeah.
yeah, that's okay. So now I'm going to introduce myself. Very short note, not very long. Actually, I am Yoganta Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Badami district, which is a very small district in Uttar Pradesh. And I did BCA. And my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and learning new things. And my father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. We live in a village. That is my introduction. And my long-term goal is that I am going to do MCA.
Nice to hear. Now it's my turn.
Yeah,
So
that's
shall
your
I introduce myself? Yeah. As you know, my name is Satisfaction and I'm from UP district Lakhimpur. By professor, I am English teacher. English is being taught by me in a private school. When we talk about my hobbies, I have so many hobbies like reading newspaper, reading different types of religious books, and singing song, playing cricket, teaching to the boys, learning new things as well. And apart from this, I have also started my YouTube channel that name is English Spoken with Glacier, where I upload English content videos so that people can learn this beautiful language. That's all a little bit about it. And
yeah.
brother,
So yeah,
yeah.
that is very good. Actually, I'm very happy to be talking to you. Actually, you are a teacher, so you have definitely you have experience about teaching. So now I'd like to how is your journey? This teaching journey. Can
Yeah,
you tell?
super, super. Yeah, yeah, it is very well. It is going on very well because since 2010 I have teaching and it's been 14 years. And
14 years.
I have, yeah, 14 years I have been teaching. Since 14 years I have been teaching and continuing teaching. Even today I am teaching. You know, it is, I know summer vacation is going on and so after when July will be started, then my school will be reopen and I would like to join my school happily. And
Yeah,
as you mentioned that uh, it's a very long time and you are enjoying your journey, teaching journey. Yes, of course, because teaching profession is is the best profession, and
yeah.
I'm
That's
happy
okay.
with my profession. Yeah,
Yeah. Now I will begin with very small question. So what is your
yeah.
daily routine? Can you tell me?
Oh, it's very interesting, brother. Now I will actually tell you about my daily routine. As when I get up early in the morning, and after getting up early in the morning, I pray to the God for 10 minutes every day, as much as I have time. And after that, I get fresh, and after getting fresh, I study 2 hours every day. And what
Yeah.
I study how to become fluent and how to understand the basic and everything which is related to English. And after over the study, I go to morning walk and there I walk 2 or 3 kilometers. If I have much time, I run 6 kilometers every day without missing. And after coming from there, I start my do yoga 1 hour as much as time. And after doing my yoga, and in yoga we perform different types of yoga like Alom, and Swasanasana, Halasana Chakrasana, like this I, and after finishing my yoga, and I teach to the kids, and then I get ready for school, and there I
Okay.
teach, 4 5 hours as well, and after over the school, I shoot my video, and I teach, I take tuition as well, and after taking tuition, when I have time, I connect with the co-learners, and I have session with them, and after having session, I when I have time during the daytime, I upload my video like this, and at evening time I study 2 or 3 hours, and after study uh, I go to sleep.
Okay, that's
Like this
okay.
I pass.
Yeah, very good. Your daily routine is very good. Keep it up, and definitely you will achieve your goal. So now let's move another directions. First, tell what is important. Very important things to viewers, and one thing how one who want to speak English. So from where they should start?
Yeah, it is very interesting question, and I will tell you very logically correctly as a teacher because it's a long time. have been teaching. So, how can a beginner speak English confidently, fluently, and from where he can start? And what is the base and what is the that route? Yeah, it is a very common question, but here I would like to answer different way. Yeah, if you wanted to speak English and you are alone, you don't have any partner, and you are very enthusiastic to speak English, and you are facing lot of struggle, and your mind is blank, and your mind is not working. What you will in that condition? Yeah. So first, don't worry. If you wanted to speak English, so you should have a basic knowledge because one who person wanted to speak English, he has
Good point.
she has some,
Please.
he has something idea. Yeah, like this, you need to start action verb. First you should read action verb play. Like this, you need to complete 100 to 100 more than, and after that completing that action word, you need to frame that action word in a particular sentence. Like you need to repeat present tense, past tense, future tense as well as its kinds. Like I play cricket, I don't play cricket. Do I play cricket? Why do I play cricket? Like this, you need to practice, and after the present indefinite, then you repeat continuous. I am speaking English. I am not speaking. Why am I speaking English? Why are you speaking English? And why are you speaking English like this? And after that, perfect. After that, every tense. And after completing this type of exercise in every tense, you need to understand what is the situation-based story. Yeah, situation-based story means what? That why are you learning English? Give me 20 reason. Give me reason. Why
Yeah,
are you going to hospital? Give me reason. Why are you wanted to go ahead? Give me reason. What's your dream? I think and like this, if we
and yeah. Now
study,
let me
if
ask you
we
another.
study,
Yeah,
yeah,
while learning, when people get disappointed, even I get disappointed
yeah,
sometimes. So how should how one should manage
yeah,
when they get
yeah,
disappointed?
yeah,
Yeah, while
yeah. How
learning,
you can measure?
sometimes
I
I
can
feel
understand. Yeah,
boring.
I can.
Yeah,
Yeah, sometimes
learning
you feel boring.
boring process. Yeah, first listen. Don't try to speak. Sorry, I'm not blaming. Just when someone telling you any question, so first listen carefully. Then you will be able to answer properly. So sorry,
Yeah.
you are a teacher, and so yeah, it is my responsibility. Actually, we are colleague now. So now let's tell me about when people get disappointed while learning this language. So what should you do?
Yeah. So firstly, the people one who get disappointed while learning any type of language, so he should and she should think that success doesn't come just of thinking. It takes time. And
Yeah, that,
when you today you plant a tree and tomorrow you are hoping that I will eat the fruit of the tree, it is not possible. So first you should have patience. First you should you know understand the process of learning as well. Otherwise, immediate instant you want to become fluent, it is not child's play. To speaking English, it's not a cup of tea.
yeah,
So
yeah,
first
right.
understand, first meet those person one who's already succeed in this field like this. And patience
But
is very essential. Without patience,
but what happened when I have been spending with this in this language, around 4 years for 4 years, but it is a very long time. So when actually we are I think advanced level. So I also get disappointed. So what is the reason behind this? Can you tell me what is the root of catch?
yeah, yeah. You
Yeah,
mean to say that you have
and
standard, yeah.
it
Please
will also help
continue.
our.
Please repeat your question again, once
My
time
question,
more.
it's been 4 years, and I have been learning this language, especially focusing on speaking. So when I get disappointed. Even I think that I should stop learning this language and do something else. So what should I do?
Yeah, brother, it's a very simple that if you have passed your 4 years of the life and you are since 4 years you are continue in your journey. So before 4 years you know nothing about this. Am I
Yeah,
right?
that's
And
yeah.
after over the 4 years, after passing 4 years, you have lot of ideas. So try once more.
Yeah, that's
Maybe after passing 1 year,
that
maybe after passing 1 month, you will become fluent more. Patience
Yeah,
is very essential
yeah, yeah.
because 4 years
Passion.
has been you passed. Yeah, 4 years, brother, you have been passed, and now you have tremendous knowledge to speak, to convey, to talk on any subject. And so, give me a little bit of more time.
Yeah, that's okay, right.
Maybe
That
your
means,
problem can be solved. Yeah,
yeah, that means
patience.
patience and keep learning. And
Keep
if
learning,
you
continue.
see your past, when you started
Yeah,
and why you started, yeah, that's very good.
yeah,
You made very good, question on point. So thanks. So now let's move with another question.
yeah.
You are
Sure.
from
Go ahead.
Lakhimpur Kheri.
Yeah, district
Yeah.
Lakhimpur Kheri.
So I heard, one news from there. One woman, you know, I think I should talk on this topic or not. Uh,
It's not good because I think it is news.
yeah, to
It's
talk
not.
another. Yeah, that's okay, right? You are good. Very thank you. So now I would like to know about your, family background.
Yeah. Oh, as I mentioned, I have 20 members in my family. My family is very large family, and I am uh, six sibling, 15 siblings, you can say, siblings. And my
Okay.
father is a retirement uh, employee, a government retirement servant, you can say. And my mother is a homemaker, and I am a teaching in a private school, and my all brothers working in different of states as well. So that's all a little bit about my family.
Not married.
Yeah, sometimes when I free, I go to my field for my
Yeah.
animals.
So, now I have no question. I have a lot of question, but I don't want to ask. Actually, it's been 14 minutes, so I would
You can
like to.
ask me, brother. You can
Yeah,
ask me. Instant ask
uh,
me. Yeah, I will give you the answer. Don't worry.
yeah,
Because
yeah.
it is a, yeah,
Let's meet.
ask me anything. Yeah.
Yeah, let's another time. But if you have any other question, any other question, you can ask. Free to ask if you have any question.
Yeah, brother, I would like to tell you that as when I talk to you, and within 10 or 12 minutes, I'm very happy with you. But here I would like to give you a suggestion, best suggestion, that keep patience. This is not, cup of tea to speak English. It is not easy because we are very happy to speak in our mother tongue. But English is not, my mother tongue. So when if a Englishman can't speak Hindi properly, if a Englishman can't speak Hindi properly, and we are speaking English something well, so we
Yeah,
should be
that's
feel that I am good. Something we
yeah.
should feel that I'm very
Yeah,
lucky. Yeah,
that
keep
is
patience and keep practicing.
yeah,
Yeah,
right. Yeah, I'm doing that, and I will do. I'm not going to skip it, and I will take your recommendation seriously. And
yeah,
whenever I get disappointed, I will think about you. Actually, yeah,
yeah.
yeah, that's okay. So if you have another
So
question, so you can
yeah,
ask.
I have another question that as I read description of your video, uh, there I find out that you every day upload 5 videos. Yeah, like this.
Sometimes
So yeah,
nowadays
sometimes.
editing videos
So
properly.
what is the benefit of 2 videos upload every day, and what is the
Actually,
benefit of five? Yeah. So tell me.
in YouTubing. So when you reach 1,000 subscriber, and after that you will this YouTube will start recommending you. The more you will upload, the more views you will get, and viewers retention. So it
Yeah.
would be possibility to your video get viral. Okay, that's it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, nice, nice to hear. And I will follow your advice as well. And in future, if you need my help, I'm ready
Yeah,
to
I
help you.
YouTubing experience for 2 years, I think, and 2 3 years. Yeah, this
Yeah, yeah. 14 years experience, brother. Yeah,
uh,
14 years.
yeah, this journey started when I was Josh Talks platforms, where I spent 1,000 money, and one day I got a call, and that person recommended me, if you want to start YouTube channel. So do one thing, record yourself and send your video to me, and I will edit and send to you, and then you will upload. Then I right
Mhm.
from that day I started doing this.
Yeah, now I think you're doing great for others because this is the best way to learning English. And yeah,
And mm, right that, and then entered in my blood. When I don't do this, I feel some dissatisfied with
you are
myself.
yeah, you are missing something, dearest.
Something is that.
Thank you, brother. And now it is time now, getting over. And have a nice to meet you. I am very
Thank you.
happy to meet you. But
And
yeah,
yeah,
and
it sometimes we get disappointed. Actually, we have a lot of responsibility, family responsibility, society, and ourselves. So that's okay.
yeah,
The
would you like to have session with me? Yeah, next
yeah,
time. Yeah, for your
let's
channel. Yeah, after all this.
keep learning.
Yeah, after over this session, would you like to record video with me for your channel?
To meet another time. Okay, tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, bye. Have
Thanks.
a nice.
Thanks.